This is a video by the internet switchstore.co.uk. Today we're talking about the Varilight master switches, the Varilight Slave switches and the Varilight Impulse switches. You can see by design they're all quite similar in terms of the central eye that sits in the middle of the switch plate. The added feature about the Impulse switches is that they're designed to be integrated on the plates that are used with the Remote Touch Dimmer switches. For example, you can have a master switch here and then use one of these Impulse switches side by side against it. The reason for this is because the Impulse switches are push on or off as opposed to dimming. This feature enables such things as fluorescent lights to be controlled, or non-dimmable lights such as LED lights, kickboard lights and that kind of thing, that are designed to be on the same plate as the remote touch dimmer. So for example, a common scenario in a kitchen would be where you have a non-dimmable light on one circuit here, and then you'd have a dimmable light in the centre which you can dim by touching the finger or by using a remote control. Also, in the same similar sort of lines as that, if you do have the use of the Varilight Remote Touch Dimmers and slaves together, you can use one slave and one master and have them used on the same plate. This is a bespoke made switch, as is the mixture of the Impulse and the slave, or the mixture of the Impulse and the Remote Touch Dimmer. The feature of this, it does give you complete flexibility on your lighting circuit depending on whatever setup you have in your house. If you have any further questions at all, please feel free to email us or call 0800 043 5532.